Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Mailchimp to build sign-up forms with better UX step-by-step clearly. To start authorizing with Mailchimp, open your web browser and navigate to the Mailchimp website. Log into your Mailchimp account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the profile icon in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on the profile icon to access the account menu. From the drop-down menu, select Account. In the Account settings, find and click on the Extras tab. Under the Extras tab, select API Keys. This section displays any existing API keys you may have. To create a new API key, click on the Create a Key button. Once generated, make sure to label your new API key for easy identification. Copy the newly created API key from the list. Next, navigate to the platform where you plan to build your sign-up forms. In the Form Builder, look for the Mailchimp integration option. Once there, paste your copied API key into the designated field. Follow any additional prompts to authenticate the connection with Mailchimp. Verify whether the integration is successful by checking for any confirmation messages. Now, you can start creating your sign-up forms. Explore the available customization options to enhance user experience. Once everything looks good, save your form. You are now ready to deploy your sign-up form on your website or landing page. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.